Indonesian secret recipe to lose 10 kilos in 10 days. When we talk about losing weight and think about food, we come to the head dishes like white rice with nothing or other bland dishes, tasteless recipes that could not eat, or dogs, right? It is clear that if you eat hot dogs every day you will not lose weight. It is more than clear. But dieting should not mean suffering. The list of foods and drinks that you need to lose weight does not have to be food without taste or bad. Of course not. In the end, like everything in life, slimming is also composed of acquiring certain habits. There are very rich solutions to lose weight and do it with great pleasure. Solutions that can then be assumed as a pure habit and begin to be a part of your life. Within these solutions are widely accepted and practiced are slimming shakes. Fruit shakes, very popular all over the world today, are a delight. They are very refreshing and nutritious and can be consumed both before and after physical exercise. Studies have shown that eating a balanced diet, including whole grains, nuts, seeds, fruits and vegetables is an ideal solution to supplement our body with vitamins, minerals and other nutrients belonging to the group of antioxidants. Here I propose to you this delicious smoothie of celery and grapefruit for slimming. Celery and grapefruit are very complete fruits in terms of vitamin complex. They have a high content of vitamins, but, in addition, they are composed of water, fiber, potassium, calcium and magnesium. These fruits also contain folic acid, vitamin C and vitamin E. Their main recommendation of consumption is based on their richness in minerals, vitamins and iron. For its properties and its antioxidant power is usually recommended to combat wrinkles and cellulite. How to consume it? Its flavor is enhanced by a good shake. The combination of the two is exquisite and attractive, so it will be very easy to motivate other family members to consume these fruits as well. After passing the fruit through the mixer and obtaining the smoothie, do not forget to strain it to extract the seeds and improve its texture. That way you will make the total enjoyment. Important, this shake is very good for weight loss, but you should take it in the morning on an empty stomach, as it contains many calories to take at night. However, it is critical to lose weight.